Guys, I am coming at you with a guide on how to get Paramount Plus for free. I know it sounds crazy, but I found the website where you can get free Paramount Plus. It's called ogsnags.com. So once you're on this site, guys, just go up to the search bar and type in Paramount Plus. And as you can see, it says Paramount Plus. Unlock the code, you granted free access. You can do this in the USA, Canada, UK, and Australia. So we're going to press show coupon code and it is going to generate our code. Now, before we can actually receive this code, guys, we are going to need to press the button that says get full code, and it's going to bring us over here. So on this page, it's going to ask us, what do we like about shopping at Amazon? I know that might seem a little weird to you, because why are we doing Amazon, guys? But trust me, it is part of the process. So I'm just going to do super fast shipping, and now it's going to ask us for our email address. So make sure you guys enter an email address you can regularly access, because they are going to send the code to this email. So let me just type it in right here, as you can see. And then the next thing is we need to do survey and deals. So you can see it says activating your reward. All right, and now we have to register, which is super easy. So we just need to basically put in all our information. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to type this in. It's very important that you do this because it will basically make sure that you actually get the Paramount Plus, because you're giving them your address and stuff. So let me just put this in right here, as you can see. All right. So let me just type this in. Okay, so I'm just going to do that right here, as you guys can see. All right, so let me just put that in, as you can see. So the next thing we need to do, guys, is complete a survey, which is pretty easy. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, all right, so I'm going to do the survey now. So it's pretty simple. So let me just do that. So after we do the survey, guys, we're just going to go ahead and press like I agree and continue, and we should be done. So here it is. So the final step is the deal. So you do have to do one deal. The deals are really easy. They're like download an app or something. So let me just show you guys right here. So basically it's going to load up, and it's going to say like that we have to do the deals. So you can see it says you completed registration, survey, and sponsored offers. So now complete deals to claim your reward. So let me just show you guys. I know it says Amazon, but trust me, it is for the Paramount Plus. So basically, you do the deal and you're done. So for instance, they have Monopoly Go, reach level 11, cost $0. Just do that one, or whatever game you see that's $0, and you should be good to go. You only have to do one deal.